Okay, nasa previous video ko yung mga kinds of fraction, proper fraction, improper, and mixed number. Okay, so ngayon, we are going to add similar fraction. Pag sinabi natin na similar, same. Similar, same ang kanilang denominator. For example, we have 2/4 plus 6/4. Ayan. Pag nakita natin na the same ang kanilang denominator, that is called similar fraction. Another example is 6/8 plus 2/8. Ayan. Nakikita natin na the same ang kanilang denominator. Ayan. Okay, sunod. Ito na, mag-a-add lang tayo ha. Number 1. Ito na. Number 1, 2/4 plus 1/4. Okay, ilan yan? Okay, pag nakita na the same ang digit na nasa baba or the same denominator, what we are going to do is to add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And anong gagawin sa denominator? Just copy po. 4. Okay. Number 2. 6/8 plus 1/8. Okay, ayan. Paano na naman yan? Pag the same ang denominator, sabi ni teacher, i-copy na natin. Ayan, para hindi makalimutan. And add the two numerators. Okay, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Yan na po yung sagot. Hindi nyo na po kailangan siyang i-simplify dahil wala na pong common factor si 3 at si 4. Ganun din si 7 at si 8. So, yan na yung tandaan. Pag magkasunod yung digit, wala nang common factor yan. Si 3 and 4 magkasunod, walang common factor. Okay, another. Number 3, we have ito pa. 6/10 plus 6/10 plus 3/10 equals 6 plus 3 is 9. Then, copy the denominator. Okay, so 9/10. Yan na. Yan na. Wala nang ibang gagawin ha. Yan lang.